Hi friends, welcome back to Library Professionals YouTube channel. Today we will start cataloging. Let us learn how to catalog a book, how to enter a book in cataloging module, third module of this software. For adding and title a book in the cataloging module, we have to go to cataloging, then retro conversion. In retro conversion, click on add new and start directly here from the title bar. Let us enter some title. For example, I will write ASDF. Suppose it's a title. And then use tab for fast anti subtitle if there is any subtitle. Author, if you know the author exists in the authors directory, you can find it from here. If not, then click on author directory to add a new author. Suppose the author of this book is SSS. Save it here, exit from here. Now find the author with SS. This is here, click on here. Same way you can add and save the second author, same way third one. Then addition, suppose addition of this book is second. Or here in the top ISBN, if the book is having ISBN, type it here, it will be 10 or 13 digit. Corporate author, if there is any corporate author of the book, mention the name here. Editor, mention the name here. Publisher, if you know the publisher is available in your publishers list in the software, then find it from here by typing the name. If not, click on add new publisher here. Suppose the publisher of this book is ZZ, the place of publication is XX, the country is India. These are mandatory fields, provide mandatory fields. Exit. Now find the author here. Suppose the name of the author was ZZ. Click on place of publication, it will automatically be fetched. Now, if the book is in multi-volumes, the book you are entering, ASDF, whether it exists in multi-volumes or not, if yes, then type Y here instead of N. How many volumes you are going to have? For example, 2. Subject, in which subject you want to place the subject. Suppose it is chemistry, type C here. You will find the list of subjects with the C. Suppose this is chemistry here. Year, the year of publication of the book. If it is 2023, then it is given. If not, you can write something here as well. Suppose I will write 2019. Keyword, with which word you want to find this book in your library using this search module. Always provide the title here with copy and paste. Or you can go through the contents of the book and you can find the subject headings and you can type those subject headings here as well. Series, you can type the series here if a book is published under a particular series. Conference, if it is a conference document, you can mention the details here. After providing all these cataloging details, you will go and click on save here. Save. You will remember this. The cat number for this record is 2461. You will note down this cat number anywhere, 2461, because all the operations of this title will be carried out using this cat number 2461. By chance, if you forget the cat number of this, still you can find it here. Titles means cat numbers and copies means on right side accession numbers. And so the last title number here means the cat number you are entering. Click on OK, then provide the details below, accession number. The last accession number here is, you can check 2460, so the next will be 2461. 2461. Or if you are entering the already books, existing books in your library, while the accessioning is already done, accession numbers are available on the book, then you can type that very accession number which is already written on the book. So mine case is different here. I have the latest accession number 2460 and my new number will be for this very title 2461. Volume, suppose this is volume first. Class number, if it is in chemistry, it may be 430 or 430 or 440. Book number, you can mention the book number. Pagination here. Location, binding, suppose the binding is paperback or hardbound. Section, suppose this is reference book. Then after providing all these details, accession number, pagination, etc., you will click on add copy, then save copy. Holding record is saved. Okay, I have provided the cataloging details. Now I have to provide the acquisition details, means cost, etc. वगैरह. For that, I will go to cataloging again, not retro conversion. Retro conversion is used to add new titles. I have to go to full catalog to provide the acquisition details of the book. The title I have entered, it is cat number was 2461. I have noted. You will note it as well when you will start it, 2461. You will find the book here, ASDF, which I have provided as the title. Then you have nothing to do with this here. Yes, in case you want to edit the details, if you think something is wrong with the title, spelling mistake, etc., you can check it again. You will click on then edit. After making the corrections here, in the fields, you will click on update, then yes. Thereafter, you will scroll down and you will go to next page. That is acquisition record information. You will click on add new. Provide the approval number here. If there is already any approval number, the approval number will be available if you have purchased it through books acquisition mode. However, if you are entering the books from the library which are already existing in the library where there is no approval number, no bill is available, you can skip these and provide just volume number. It will be available with the book. Suppose it is volume first. Item price, suppose 500 is the item price of this. If the book is in 2 volumes and the cost is mentioned, the set price for volume first and second, you can provide that very cost here. For example, it is 1000 for 2 volumes. Check number, date number if you have purchased it, order number if you have purchased it, vendor. Suppose the vendor of this book is NCRT. Invoice number, if the invoice is available with the book, you can type the invoice number here. Invoice date, you can type the invoice date here as well. Do not forget to mention the item cost here as well. Mention it 2 times. It means you have to mention the cost twice for the copy, above and below. If you forget to provide the cost either above or below, then you will not find the cost of the book while you will generate the details of the book. For example, accession register or any kind of the report, you will not find that time the cost of the book. So it is a must to mention the cost of the book on both the places, above and below, means item price and item cost. If the cost is mentioned in the set, then you can mention here, otherwise you can skip the set price here. After providing the details, mention here currency, suppose it is Indian currency, then click on save, then move to 3rd page. Here, holding information. Here you have nothing to do with the much, just click on edit, then update. If you want to change anything here, you can provide the additional details here. If you forget during the cataloging, for example, copy ISBN, pagination, volume title, accompanying materials, you can change the status of the book, for example, from reference section to circulation, from circulation to book bank. You can mention these. You can provide the location as well here. You can mention anything in the remarks here. Then click on update. Just click on update and click on yeah. In this way, the cataloging of the book gets completed. Now I will exit from here. Now the question is, if you are having the 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10 or multiple copies of the same title, how you will enter? You don't need to enter them one by one. For that, you will get automatically the details. However, you have to remember the cat number of the first entered title. If you forget the cat number of the first entered title of these 10 copies or 20 copies, you will go to this section, titles. The last number here means the cat number you have latest entered, that is 2461. Now I have entered the book with title ASDF. I want to enter the more copies of the same title. I am having 10 copies of this title. For that, you will go to retro conversion. Do not click on add new, just go to cat number, type the cat number. If you do not remember the cat number, just to move to the titles bar here, you will find the latest cat number here, 2461. This is the last title I have entered, and I am having the 10 copies of this title ASDF. So how I will enter these details again? Just simply click on add copy. The details have been added. Now you will provide the accession number here, whatever will be your accession number of the book. In case you are entering a fresh title, then you will find the latest number here. 2461 is already given. In my case, I have to provide 2462. 2462. Accession date, you will not find the accession date automatically here because this is not an automatically generated title. We are adding the copy of already existing title which we have already entered. So we have to provide the accession date manually here. Suppose it is 212023. Class number, pagination. Suppose the pagination will be the same as the previous one. Location and binding, suppose it is hardbound. Suppose this is in reference section, then you have to save copy. Holding record of this book have been saved. Now again we have to provide the acquisition details, cost details, etc. of this title. For this I will exit from retro conversion. Again the procedure is same. I will go to full cataloging. I will write the cat number. The cat number will be same for these 10 titles. So the cat number is 2461. 2461. Here you can edit the details. If you want to edit something, then move to next page. Add new. In add new, mention the item price. Just I have mentioned in the previous title 500 item cost, 1000 set price, 500. Suppose this is volume second. Order number, vendor. Sometimes the vendors are not available on the book which are locally published, so you can mention anything. For example, I have mentioned here NVF means no vendor found, and you can put something else like that as per your choice. Provide the currency here. Suppose this is Indian rupees. Reference number, acquisition mode, purchased. Sometimes if somebody is giving a book as a gift, as a donation, you can check it from here. Donated, exchange, gifted. You can mention subscribed, anything here. Mainly we are purchasing, so purchased. If bill will be available, mention the invoice number, bill number here, bill date if it is available, then click on save. Please enter the invoice date. If once you have entered the invoice number, then it is mandated to enter the invoice date. Now I will mention the invoice date as well here. Save. Again move to third page, just click on edit. See, you will find two holdings here, two acquisition IDs. First one was for the first copy I have entered. Now the second one is for the second copy. So provide it, update. In this way I have entered two copies of the same title. Now if you want to enter the third copy, the procedure is same. Same procedure is you will go to cataloging, retro conversion. Cat number will be same, 2461. 2461. You can check it from here. Cat number is not changing, 2461. I have entered two copies and the cat number is same, 2461. I will enter third time this copy. The cat number will be same, only accession numbers will change here. So I will simply click on add copy, then I will provide the accession number. Mine accession number will be 2463. 2463. Accession date. I have to provide this manually because this is copy of already existing title. Suppose it is 212023. Pagination will be also same because copy of the same title. Binding, suppose paperback, whatever it is, reference. Then click on save copy. Okay. Now again I have to provide the acquisition details. Just to go to catalog. Now full cataloging. Cat number is written here. You can check it from here. 2461. 2461. You can edit anything here. I have nothing to do, so I will move to here. I will add new details. Again, the price of the copy will be 500, which was for the earlier copy. 500. You can mention the set price as well if it is available. Provide the vendor details here if it is available. Suppose this one. Currency, Indian currency. It depends upon your energy, how many fields you would like to add here. Source of information, it's a physical book. It could be other source as well. order number, etc. Then click on save. Now, while I will click on edit here, 3 acquisition IDs must be available here because I am entering third copy of the same title. I will click on edit. Now go to top one. 8881 was for the first, 2489 was for the second copy, 2490 was for third copy. You can add other details here as well. You can change the collection type of the book from book bank to circulation, circulation to reference. You can change the binding here as well, suppose hardbound. Then update. In this way, I have entered 3 copies of the same title. I hope it is clear. Still, in case you are having any query, you can call me for that. So this was the cataloging, how we can catalog a book, how we can provide the details of a book. Now the second option in this is, in cataloging is, full cataloging is clear. In retro conversion, we are entering the new title. In full cataloging, we are providing the cost details of the same title. Change copy status is the third option. For what purpose this is used? Change copy status. Suppose I am having any title whose accession number was 2462. Copy status means you can change this status, copy status. If by mistake you have entered a book in cataloging and by mistake you have kept this book in book bank. Since book from book bank and reference section, the books will not be issued from the library. So how you will change that very status of the book? You want the book should be in circulation. So simply go to change copy status, type the accession number here and change the status here. Suppose this title ASDF, this is in circulation. I don't want to put in circulation. I want to put this book in book bank. Just click on book bank, then update the record here. The record has been changed. So this is used to change the collection option of the material, collection option of the book. So I will exit from here, cataloging again, then comes the update holdings. By mistake you have provided you are having 10 books or 2 books or 3 books in the library. Due to oversight, you have entered the wrong accession number for the book. Now you want to correct that. How you will correct the accession number of the book? For that purpose, you will type the accession number here, 2462. Suppose it is 2462. Sorry, we have to write this in here, 2462. Then edit. You can change it from here. Instead of 2462, if you want to change it to 2463, just type here 2463. Then click on update. The accession number already exists. Here you have to remember that the accession number you want to change must be vacant. So I will move to from 2463 to 2464. Then click on update. Updated this record. So update holding is used to change the accession number of the book. Second, this update holdings, this is also used to find the different information about the book. Suppose you want to find the cat number of the book, but you don't remember the cat number of the book. How you will find the cat number of a particular book if you are having 10,000, 15,000 books in the library? How you will find the cat number of the book? This is also used for the same. Just to go to cataloging, update holdings. However, one thing is always available with you with your book, that is accession number. While you will find the accession number of the book, you will find it, you will type it here. Suppose my accession number of the book is 2462. Sorry, it is, I have to write it here, 2462. Wait a minute, catalog, update holdings. Update holdings 2462 is not available. 2462 I have changed the status a bit ago. This is 2462. See, if you are having the accession number written on your book, now you want to find the cat number of that book for which you want to edit the details, because you can edit the details of the book with cat number. But unfortunately, you don't remember the cat number. So you can find the cat number with accession number. Go to update holdings, type the accession number. The accession number will give you the cat number. See, this is accession number 2463. If you want to find the cat number of this book, this is written here. The cat number is 2461. So accession number guides you towards the cat number, and you can find this in update holdings. You can remember the cat number here, then you will go to full catalog and you can edit, change any information about the book. Cat number is used to edit any information in the cataloging. So this is clear, I hope. Update holdings, this is used to change this collection status, and this is used to find the cat number of the book for modification of the book. So I will exit from here. Again, I will go to cataloging. Status wise collection is next option. Now if you are having thousands of books, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 books in your library, you want to change the status wise collection. What does it mean? It means how many books are issued in your library. You can find that from here, status. Put it available. Suppose how many books are available in your library. You can check it with available status. Click on search. You can check the records from here. Records 2,365 books are available in my library. This is one type of status available. Now I will move to second, that is issued. How many books? If you want to check how many books are issued, a grand total of issued books in your library, just put the status issued and click on search. You don't need to scroll down and check one by one. No, just go for this record here, 98 books. It means 98 books at present are issued in my library. Thereafter, you can get any type of information about the report books, issued books. Print, compact report, details, summary, etc. Again, if you want to check, suppose there are some damaged books and you have put the books to bindery for binding. You can check the option, how many books are on binding. If you are put the books on binding, you can check it from here. No record found because I have not sent any book for binding. In the same way, you can check that one by one this option, written off, withdrawn, etc. So status wise collection means you can check the status of your collection. How many are available, how many are issued, how many are on binding, how many are lost. So I will exit from here. Again, I will go to cataloging, then comes the stock verification. Stock verification is used to check the status of the books, lost, damaged, etc. issued. For this very purpose, what you have to do? You have to go to the year. You have to type the year for which you want to conduct the stock verification. For example, I want to go for 2022. Then you have to click on initiate. For this year, SV means stock verification has already been initiated. Because I am conducting stock verification at present, therefore this message gets displayed. Then simply click on OK. The second option is this, transfer existing holding record status except available. It means while you are going to attend the books, stock, verify the stock, this option means to include the books in the stock, verified stock and which are issued or which are on binding. Just click on this, then click on OK, then click on yes. The records have been updated. And this will bring the issued books to your status here. While I will do this, an additional column will be added here. SV 2022. You can check it from here. SV 2022 because I am already conducting stock verification in my library. That is why this available option is available with some titles. Thereafter, what you have to do? Then in this status, you have to put the available option. Then you have to bring the books one by one to your laptop or to your system, in front of your system. Then you would type the accession number here and then press simply enter. For example, you have brought the books, 10, 20 books of any subject, put them on your table, pick them one by one, check the accession number. Suppose accession number 1, enter. Enter is very simple and fast, means just click. Remember, this option might be available. This is very important. Do not forget to put the available status here. While you will enter, you will get a tune, a message, a sound from your system that the information has been generated. Suppose accession number, I will put it accession number, it is 2 now. Methods of teaching chemistry. I will just keep it enter. See, a message gets displayed here. You have already updated the status of this accession number. Update this record, yes. Why this message gets displayed? Because I have already verified the stock of chemistry section, chemistry subject. Yes, in this way, you can make the stock verified of your library. Now, how you will find the books which are not available in your library, which have been lost? Suppose you are having 2000 books and one by one you have attended here all the books available in your library. How you will find the lost books or missing books? For that purpose, you will go to this option, get untraced books. Just click on this. You can check the status of these books here. 2004 means 2004 books are untraced. These are not available in the library. However, this information will be available only when you will type all the collection one by one. Since I have conducted the stock verification 400 to 500 books, that is why 2004 books are untraced. While I will type all the accession numbers here, then definitely the number will come down automatically. In this way, you can find the untraced books here. This is how we can conduct stock verification. Next comes generate barcodes. We can generate the barcodes of our library as well. For this purpose, go to accession. You can find them cat number wise. You can find them accession number wise. For example, 01 to 2000 is my collection. Suppose, then click on search title wise. Select order by accession number. Then click on search. This is the collection for which I want to generate barcodes. Now from this option, click the printer. If you are having barcode printer, you can find the barcode printer of your library. If not, laser printer will be available. Then select the number of labels to be printed on the page. This is a genuine number, 13 by 5. These are the labels which almost all the libraries are generating. You can type some code of your library. For example, I will type, if you want a code of your library should be printed with a barcode, then type the code here. For example, I will write the code of my library, HSQ library. You can mention the margins from right left, 1 and 1 margin. Then print. If you are having barcode printer, go for this option. If laser printer, go for this option. I am having laser printer. You can check it from first accession number. This is accession number wise barcode. This is the code I have just provided, HSQ lab. These are the margins from top and bottom. This is the margin. You can increase or decrease the margin depends on your choice. So these are 13 labels. See, you can see in one column 13 and in a row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in a row and 13 in a column. This was the option I have given. So I will exit from here. So I will exit from here. This complete is the cataloging module. If you are having any query, any doubt, any clarification, you can contact me. I will hopefully I will guide you, inshallah. Thank you very much.